an is given by p into x power n. An is given by p into x power n. X is given by 1 plus r percentage. Already we discussed. Now listen carefully. Simple example. Amount after 2 years is given. Principal it is given. It is x square. 2 years it is given. N is 2 years. N is 2 years. So A2 by P is equivalent to x square. So x will become under root of A2 by P. Under root of A2 by P. That means, 1 minute sir. What does it mean is, suppose 100 becomes 144 in 2 years. 100 becomes 144 in 2 years. Find the rate of interest. If the question is given, 100 is becoming 144 in 2 years. Find the rate of interest. What you do is, you just, same thing we are doing. Initially it is 100, it is becoming 144. Because it is 2 years, it is square, left hand side it will become square root. Apply under root. Under root of 100 is 10, under root of 144 is 12. 10 is becoming 12, it is extra 2 on 10, 1 by 5 is 20%. Rate of interest is 20%. Same like this only. Under root of 144 by 100, 144 is 12, 100 it is 10, 12 by 10. 12 by 10 is how much? 6 by 5. X is 1 plus r percentage. 1 plus r percentage is 6 by 5. R percentage will become 6 by 5 minus 1, 1 by 5. Always write down like this. Initial value on the left hand side, final value on the right hand side. If it is 2 years, apply square root. If it is 3 years, apply cubed root. For more, these first example. Second example, 1000 becomes 1728. 1000 becomes 1728 in 3 years. Find R percentage under compound interest. Why we are applying square root and cube root? That should be clear to you. 1000 is becoming 1728 in 3 years. According to this concept, amount after 3 years is principal into scaling factor power 3. So x cube will become A3 by P. X will become cubed root of A3 by P. Cubed root of A3 by P. What is x value? 1 plus r percentage. It is cubed root of A3 by P. If it is 3 years, why am I getting cube root? If it is 2 years, why am I getting square root? I hope the idea it is clear. So what you do is, from now onwards, it is 1000. So this will become cubed root of 1000. It is cubed root of 1728. This is initial value written in left hand side. Final value written in right hand side. Cubed root of 1000 is 10. Cubed root of 1728 is 12. 10 is becoming 12. R percentage is given by change on initial value. Initial value, it is the principal. Initial value, it is the principal. Change is 2 on 10. 2 on 10 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 value is 20%. 1 by 5 value is 20%. Extremely important key points. 2 years is there. For initial and final, apply square root. 3 years is there, apply cubed root. Please put a star mark on this concept, sir. This concept. If the time period it is the same, scaling factor will be same. After 2 years, scaling factor is 6 by 5. Before 2 years also it will be 6 by 5. Please put it as star mark. Very, very important. Most of the questions are based on this concept. Time period same. Scaling factor or multiplication factor will be same. Scaling factor or multiplication factor will be same.